user, right? If he is a relationship manager, the private access enabled, and he can see the customer detail amount. But if the user is the customer support, he cannot see anything. It's restricted. Even if you go to the user detail, there is no detail about their amount. This is very security point of view, right? So I'll explain all these things in this video. Please watch it properly so you can understand how it is working in our real application. Okay. Hello, hi. So now you would have understand. So in this video, I'll just tell you like how authorization is working when it's role based. So in the simple, I'm just telling. So I just created my application using the GitHub Copilot. Like I have login screen and customer screen and all. So based on user logged in, right? Which user logged in, it will show corresponding access or corresponding resource based on the user based on the user role. Okay, so in my screen, just first let me explain you. So in my screen you will see, right? So here I just will log in as a relation manager. So if you see here, you will see private access is enabled, and these are the customer, right? All this detail I am able to see the private balance because I have access to these things. Okay, then but if I log in as a, let's say, customer support, right? So I'll see the customer list, but I'll not be able to see the complete what is the private access, which is very private to specific customer, right? So I don't have access, so I am not able to see that amount, correct? So I'll just explain you how it works. So when I logged in, right, it is the login screen, which will based on the login, it will redirect to, it will go call to author.js, and it will define which role I am belongs to. Okay, and let me first pull this customer detail, which is showing that amount, how it is working. So GitHub Copilot will write all this code, as you can see everything is written, right? So but you need to understand how it works. That is very, very important nowadays. Everyone can write the code, but it is very important to implement next changes whatever required for your application quicker and without reiterating same command prompt and all. So we need to understand how it works. That is very important nowadays in the AI world. Okay, so if you see here, I have just set the private. If I have private access, then I am showing my balance here. So let's go how it works here. So we will see here can be present. I'm just checking the view private permission I have or not. So where it is set that view private, let's see how I have just set some hardcoded value in this use auth. Okay, so if you come here, once authentication is done, right, I'm just setting this context value, right, and here I'm this permission thing, and I'm just setting here. Okay, so in this permission I have all these list permissions. Okay, these permissions, just scroll up. So this is the role permission. So for the, if admin has a logged in, I have view customer, view private, and manage customer. If I have relationship manager, so I can see view manager, view private. But if I am a customer support guy, right, logged in as a customer support, only I can view the customer. I will not be able to see the amount, right? So the role permission I am setting up at the time of login. If you will see here, I'm just passing that value here, right, as permission, right, provide value here. So that value I'm checking while user is logged in, and accordingly it is showing this, it is showing like that amount should be visible or not based on the logged in user. Okay, so it's very, very simple and straightforward way, which is a role-based authorization, not authentication. Authentication is separate thing. That when you logged in based on username password, there is authentication. Authorization is like this rule based on role. You need to view your corresponding resource and all. Okay. So thank you for watching. So actually what most of the developers do the mistake, like they won't use AI properly and they don't understand the code, and they repeatedly do the same thing using the GitHub Copilot or any other AI tool, right? And what happens, they repeated the work and they could not complete the or cannot get better productivity, right? So I in next video I'll just explain you how you need to use the AI and how, and before using how you need to give proper command prompt by understanding the project in very quicker way. Okay, so please subscribe for next video, so it will be very helpful for you to write your code very quickly with AI tools. To use AI tool properly is very important. Everyone know AI but don't know how to use AI for your coding and all. Okay, please subscribe and thank you for watching the video.